we will see how UPSC interlinks paper 1 and paper 2 in its questions. So if UPSC is interlinking, you should also go for an integrated approach. Okay, we will see with example in this video. So this is a question on social stratification attempted by rank 2 Animesh Pradhan. He was a part of our sociology mains program. He was also a part of our sociology current affairs program step up series. Okay, so let's take a very quick look at the question. Compare and contrast the Marxian and Weberian notions of social stratification. Which is more suitable in understanding the social dynamics of Indian society? Okay, so Marxian and Weberian notions of social stratification, paper 1. Suitability to Indian society is paper 2. But if this question is asked in your paper 1 topic, then its approach will be slightly different. We will explain how, and most likely it will be a paper 1 question, right? So paper 1 and paper 2 both are interlinked here, right? So your preparation should also be designed accordingly. That is why in our answer writing programs we try to club the related topics of paper 1 and paper 2 so that you can practice the questions in an integrated manner, not in silos. We will take a look at the answer. Marx relied on economic determinism in underlying the conflict theory of stratification, and Weber took a Trinitarian model of stratification. Since it is a 20 marker question, you can write one or two more lines and link it to Indian society briefly in one or two lines. So before this table, give a 3-4 words description like what this table is about. Okay, now the basis of stratification, the structure of stratification, the consequences of stratification, universality, desirability. So this structure you can adopt for in general distinguish between two elements questions: the basis, the structure, the consequences, the features, the examples, universality, desirability. Now comes the second part of the question. Before this, we can add one or two more points, like there were some elements of similarity also. For example, both Marx and Weber, they acknowledge the role of economy in stratification, right? So you can incorporate these elements in your answers. Let's take a look at the next part. In understanding the social stratification in Indian society, Weber's Trinitarian model holds higher relevance. Fine. First point is Andre Bethe highlights the concept of dispersed inequality. So if it is a paper 2 question, then you can highlight the thinkers as the very first word. But since it is a paper 1 question, you can explain it, then mention Andre Bethe, M.N. Srinivas, like that. The examples are very good here. The teachers in India have higher status. The concept of dominant caste explains the emergence of politically empowered group. Instead of homogenization, there is an emergence of IT sector. The related thinker is mentioned here. How middle class has helped prevent polarization. All these arguments are mentioned here. Okay, and the conclusion part says, in Indian society with great consumerism, status forms a major center of social stratification as envisioned by Weber. unlike the economic determinism of Marx. So, you are free to take the whatever stand you wish to, just that you have to substantiate with arguments, examples, views of thinkers, all these things. Fine. So overall the approach is good. A few modifications are required. Hope you understand what how to fetch maximum marks in such answers. The PDF of this answer, you can download it from the link given in the description below. This PDF also contains the links to our courses on sociology answer writing, sociology current affairs, test series, all those, and our contacts. You can access the answer copies of Medha Anand, who got 310 in sociology, which is among the highest so far. Okay, please take very good care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye.